Hello, bird lovers. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of toucans, uncovering lesser-known and extraordinary facts about these captivating birds. Contrary to popular belief, the toucan's iconic large beak is surprisingly lightweight. It's composed of a unique structure made of keratin, allowing for agility and not hindering flight. Toucans have a diverse diet primarily consisting of fruits. But did you know the beak also helps them regulate their body temperature? It contains hollow air pockets, which help keep them cool in hot environments. Despite their size, toucans are skilled flyers. Their unique wing structure allows them to maneuver swiftly and adeptly through the forest canopy. Toucans communicate through a range of calls and sounds. Their croaks, yelps, and bill clattering are distinct and contribute to their vibrant presence in the tropical forests.